Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your password on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here. Now click settings. Now click account management, and as you see here you will find your password settings. Here you can change it. You can just enter your new password and confirm it and click done, and it will be saved. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.